Today we'll be cooking
shrimp tempura. Shrimp tempura. Get the ingredients besides the toothpick. The toothpick is not an ingredient.
Well, we got the toothpick, we got the shrimp, we got the all-purpose flour that is seasoned
with salt and pepper. And I have some egg and some panko.
Let's start cooking.
Making it.
Cooking.
Making
Cooking making. Or cooking making. Now cutting the shrimp. Just like
not
you
all
don't
the way.
Gotta like
Probably like 3 little cuts.
yeah, like small little cuts. You know, like yeah, I'll just cut 2 cuts to make it flat.
Okay.
There you go.
So
you wanna put it in the toothpick?
No. Yes, please.
Oh, you want it? Okay, take it then.
Here, the head.
Well, where the head was supposed to be,
Yeah.
which got decapitated.
Yeah. And now, boom, have another perfecto.
Oh God, I broke it.
Finished with the shrimp. Now we're gonna add
Well,
these ingredients.
William, we're gonna coat them. We're gonna coat them with flour,
Okay.
eggs, and panko.
I'm gonna.
Oh, panko. You don't need to douse it in flour. You just need to just like I have to reach over. Can we like really closer? That's good. And we can just eat them straight away or make sushi.
Are we gonna make sushi?
We need to find a better system than doing this. Because I don't have to like. Yeah, I wish we had like some squid. I want to try to make a fried squid. We're done with the shrimp. William spilled a little, maybe a lot of panko right there. Who cares?
And we're sorry we did it off camera. We're done. I think we're ready to fry it. We're ready.
Yeah, we're ready. And you make sure you put it on medium-high heat. Oh, just like slowly put it in there. Don't drop it in. William. Cut. Add more. I don't like dealing with oil stuff.
For 2 to 3 minutes.
Alright.
Done! And
We're done with the tempura shrimp. Yeah, we're done. Let me like just take this off the skewer. Okay, it's really hard. Okay, you know, I'll just like eat it like this. Oh, it tastes so good. Do you like it, Will?
uh-huh.
Yeah. No. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell.
Yeah.
Yeah.